In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Aldi account on a mobile device. If you want to access your Aldi account from your smartphone or tablet, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, unlock your mobile device and open the Chrome app. Make sure you're using a stable internet connection so the website loads properly and you don't run into delays trying to sign in. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top of the screen for the address bar. This is where you can type in a website directly instead of searching for it. Tap the address bar, then enter the official Aldi website address and load the page. Be careful to use the official website so you know you're signing in securely and accessing the correct account page. After the site begins loading, give it a few seconds to fully appear. Depending on your internet speed and device, the mobile layout may take a moment to adjust. Once you're on the Aldi website, look near the top area of the mobile screen. You may see a menu icon, which usually appears as three horizontal lines, or you may see a profile icon. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on the version of the website or the size of your screen, so don't worry if it looks a little different from another device. Both options are designed to help you access account-related features. Tap the menu icon or the profile icon to open the available options. This will bring up the navigation panel or account menu where Aldi places important shortcuts for mobile users. Take a quick look through the list until you find the option labeled Sign In. When you see Sign In, tap it to continue. This will take you to the Aldi Sign In page, where you can move forward with accessing your account. If the page doesn't open right away, wait a moment and avoid tapping repeatedly, since that can sometimes slow things down on mobile devices. That's all you need to do to reach the Aldi sign-in screen using Chrome on your smartphone or mobile device. If you're following these steps while watching, just take your time and make sure each page fully loads before moving on.